Hello everybody. In this video we are going to learn about De Morgan's theorem. Under De Morgan's theorem we are having two laws, that is a plus b whole complement is equal to a complement dot b complement, and ab whole complement is equals to a complement plus b complement. So if you see the first law, it says that complement of a sum is equal to the product of the individual complement, right? In similar way, the second law says that the complement of a product is equal to the sum of individual complements. Okay, now let us prove it out. So for that I have taken two table for law 1 as well as law 2. So the law 1, you can see I have taken two variables a b, and as per the requirement I have taken a complement b complement and these terms finally. Okay, so if you look into this a plus b whole complement, this term, okay, you will find I got it 1 triple 0. Okay, the values by ORing and ANDing as and when required. Now if I see a complement dot b complement, the final terms I am getting 1 triple 0. So both these values in both these columns are equal. So this proved in law number 1. Come to law number 2, the same thing I have taken two variable, and as per requirement I have taken complement and dot, and I have ORed it as per the requirement of the law. And then finally when I see the final output of AB whole complement, this one, and A complement plus B complement, this one, I am finding the values in these columns are same. Okay, so this proof law number 2. Now let us see where the application of this law, these theorems or this law takes place. So by using this De Morgan theorem, I can change OR operator to dot operator and vice versa. Okay, and to convert Boolean expression from soft to POS form and vice versa, we can use De Morgan's theorem. Okay, coming to next one, duality theorem. So this duality theorem, okay, this is L duality. Okay, so this duality theorem says, or it helps in changing OR operator sign to dot sign and vice versa. Okay, and in expressions, okay, complement any 0 or 1 by 1 and 0 constants. Okay, so I mean to say that if in expressions we are having 0 or 1, it will complement that and replace it 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. Okay, so this point to be remembered over here, the statement or theorem, any statement or theorem which has this property, this above two properties, is called dual. For example, you can see a plus 0 is equals to a, so its dual is a dot 1 is equals to a. So see, this a plus 0 is there, so I have replaced 0 with 1, just complement of that I have taken, and OR operator I have taken with dot. Okay, so it is, the result is same. Okay, so this is dual. Similarly, I have taken the distributive law. Okay, you can see a dot b plus c is equals to a dot b plus a dot c. Its dual is what? The other part of distributive law. Okay, you see this dot has been replaced by plus, and this plus has been replaced by dot. Okay, so you see what I am getting, a plus b dot c is equals to a plus b dot a plus c. So if you take truth table and try to verify this, okay, as I have shown this for De Morgan theorem, if you verify this, you will find this will be equal to this and this will be equal to this. Okay, so where we apply duality theorem to produce new Boolean relationship, we use this duality theorem. You can see from this relationship I have developed this relationship, okay, by just changing the operator got a new Boolean relation. Okay, and we can use this duality theorem or dual theorem, okay, in soft form to convert that to POS form and vice versa. So that only I mentioned over here, dual of soft form is POS form and vice versa, right? Now this is an important thing over here, that what is self-dual function. If a function, okay, which I represent f1, it is equals to ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, if I use the duality theorem over here, and if f1 is equals to f1d, then it is called as self-dual. Okay, means f1 equation is given, and if it is equals to f1d, this dual of this function is same as this function itself, then it's called self-dual function. Okay, so what I have done over here, you can see this equation. Okay, I have converted this plus to dot and dot to plus. You can see a dot b is now become a plus b, and plus becomes dot over here, b dot c become b plus c, and plus becomes dot, and c plus a, sorry, c dot a becomes c plus a over here. Okay, so this is a dual of f1. Now let me prove it out whether from here I'm getting the same thing or not. So I have taken a plus b, b plus c, and c plus a, and I have worked out on this. What I've done is just I multiplied these two terms. Okay, I got this term as c plus a. Then from here, as per Boolean laws and postulates, I have taken 1 plus c and I have solved it out. Okay, you can see the steps over here. Okay, so finally I'm landing with ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, and you can see this equation is exactly equal to this equation over here. So I can say f1 is a self-dual function. Okay, so I hope you have understood this De Morgan's theorem and duality theorem. Thank you for watching my video.